Am I the jerk for returning my husband's birthday gift to pay my daughter for baking his cake? My 16-year-old loves baking and earns cash selling treats to friends, family, and sometimes us. For her stepdad's 45th birthday, he asked her to bake the cake and she agreed. I told him to pay her, but he scoffed. Pay her? Come on, I'm her dad. I pushed back because she's a people pleaser and wouldn't demand payment. He said he'd pay, but days passed, and he didn't cough up a dime. So, I sold the watch I got him as a gift and paid her. He found out and went ballistic, accusing me of teaching her to treat family like a business and raising her to be materialistic. I explained the time, effort, and money she put into the cake, but he called me out for enabling her expectations. Now he's furious and told the whole family I returned